Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of data structure subject. In this video lecture we are going to learn about creation of a binary tree from basic traversals. So all of you know that there are main three traversals are available in binary tree. First one is in order, second one is pre-order, and third one is post order. So in order traversal we will visit our left child, then we will visit our root, then after we will visit our right part of our root node. In pre-order traversal, first of all we will visit our root node, after it we will visit our left node, and after it and last we will visit our right node. In the post order traversal, first of all we will visit our left node, after it we will visit our right node, and in last we will visit our root node. Okay, so from these traversals we will make a binary tree. Okay, so first of all let's see how we can make a tree from post order and in order traversal. Okay, so to predict the exact tree from the tree traversal we require at least minimum 2 traversals. So here we have 2 traversals, first is post order and second one is in order. So here post order traversal says it is H, I, D, E, B, F, G, C and A. In order traversal says H, D, I, B, E, A, F, C and G. Okay, so from this thing we can know that in post order traversal we will have first our left node, then after our right node, and in last we will have our root node. So here in post order traversal at last we have a element. It means A will be our root node. So here we will declare A as a root node of our tree. If we declare A as a root node, then in order traversal we will have A as a root node again. So if we will have A as a root node, then this part will be the left part of our A root, and this part will be the right part of our root A. So here we will put H, D, I, B, E in the left side of A, and we will put F, C and G in the right side of A. Okay. Now in second step, here with the A root we will have H, D, I, B, E in the left part. So from the H, D, I, E, B means here H, I, D, E, B, we can know that B at the last position. So in post order traversal our root will be at the last position. So here we can know that B will be our root. So here from the A we will put a B as the root node. Okay, so from this tree H, D, I, B, E, B will be our root node. So from that thing we can know that H, D, I will be our left part of our tree and E will be our right part of our tree. Okay, so this is the solution for this H, D, I, E, B. Again in the left side of B we will have 3 nodes H, D and I. So in H, D and I we will see that D is our last node in post order traversal. So in post order traversal root node will be at the last position. So from this thing D will become our root node. After it we can see that in our in order traversal for H, D and I, D is in middle. So in order traversal says that root will be in middle, H will be on left side and I will be on right side. So we will put H on left side and I on the right side. Okay, so this is creation of left side of our root node A. Now we will go further in the right side of our root node A. So in the right side of root node A, there are three nodes F, C and G. So F, C and G, we will consider F, C and G. So here we can know that C is at the last position. So from the F, C and G, C will become a root. From F, C and G, in order says that C is a middle node, so that will be a root node. F is in left, so F will be a left child, and G is in right, so G will become right side of C. So this is a creation of binary tree from the in order and post order traversal. Okay. Our second example is we have to create a binary tree from pre-order and in order traversal. So we will have two strings, first is in order and second is pre-order. So from this thing we all know that pre-order traversal will have first root node. So here F is at the first position, so for our tree F will become a root. If we point this F into our in order traversal, then we can know that EACK will be left part of tree and HDBG will become right part of tree. So we will put EACK on left side and HDBG on right side. After it, if we will check for the EACK, then EACK means AEAC. A is in first priority in pre-order, so from it A will become root node of EACK. If we check EACK, then from it A will be the root node and E will be the left side of our A node, and CK will be the right side of root node A. After it, if we will check for HDBG, then in HDBG here we will check that D is at the first priority in pre-order, so D will become the root node in HDBG. After it, if we will check that D into our in order traversal, then we will check that H will be the left node, or we can say left child of D, and remaining means BG will be the right side of our D node. After it, if we will check that from the C and K, K is at the first position than C, then K will become the root node. Also for B and G, G is at the first priority, so G will become the root node. And in order, if we will check that C is above K, means in order says first will be left root, then our right child, so C will be on the left child of K. In also B and G, B is on left side of G, so again B will be the left child of G node. So this is the creation of our binary tree from the two traversal, in order traversal and pre-order traversal. You will have to understand and know the in order traversal will have left, root and right child. Pre-order traversal will have root, left and right child, and post-order traversal will have left, right and root child. This thing is very essential for creating binary tree from the different traversals. Okay, if you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.